We're back at Made with Love Bakery in Spokane. Here, the name says it all.
It kind of feels like home.
A really warm setting.
I mean, everything I've had out of here has been just obviously made with love. You can tell it's just like mom's cooking.
I feel really comfortable here.
I hope that it feels cozy in here, and when people come in, they just feel known and loved.
Owner Kelly Johnson keeps things small and simple, focusing on quality and heart.
Because I do such small batches, there is a lot of care and intention that goes into each batch that I make. There's no shortcuts.
You come in and you know it's fresh. You know who made it. The ingredients are just top-notch.
It is just a really sweet place to be. It's really calm.
She has a heart for this town and this neighborhood.
Every time I'm in here, Callie greets people by name. And if she doesn't know someone's name, she asks their name so that she can remember it next time.
So what are we gonna bake today?
We are going to make an apple cake.
Okay.
So it's a very simple cake, just some yummy flavors. The apples, uses orange juice as well, so it tastes really fresh.
Good.
Yeah.
Sounds delicious. I
Yes.
love apple cake.
Good.
Now it's time to head to the kitchen to start baking.
These are some Granny Smith apples.
Awesome.
And I get all of my produce as much as I can locally. So we've got Green Bluff here in Spokane, Washington. So these are from Green Bluff.
Very good.
Yeah.
Just a few miles away.
Yes, I don't like my treats to be too sweet. So the Granny Smith have a nice tart flavor to them. It balances well with the sweet. So this is a very simple recipe. We just throw everything straight into the mixer and whip it up. To get started, why don't you crack these eggs?
Okay.
And then if we get eggshells, we can scoop them out.
She's already planning ahead. This is nice and simple.
It's very simple, which is great because you need pretty simple recipes when you're making a lot of things.
We add flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and the eggs into the mixing bowl. Then we start peeling the apples.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
How come I don't have one of these?
Yeah, these are really handy.
That was fun.
We add in vegetable oil, vanilla, and orange juice, and then mix it up.
If you want to pour half of this in there, then we need to slice these in half. I'm gonna start just layering these.
What are your favorite things to bake?
I love making pie. Making the little lattice top is really fun. It's like a piece of art.
It is.
So,
Look at that. That looks beautiful.
yeah, could sprinkle some cinnamon sugar.
That looks so pretty already.
That looks perfect.
that good? Okay.
Yeah. And then let's go ahead and do the last of the batter. Messes are inevitable.
I'm often saying whoops when I'm in the kitchen.
There's just a process with baking, and so it's fun to see things, you know, turn from flour and sugar and then into a dough, and then you put it into the oven, and because then you get to eat it afterwards, and that's the best.
We put the cake in the oven at 350 degrees for an hour or so. Then we bring it out. For the icing, we mixed orange juice and powdered sugar and then poured it over the top after the cake had cooled. Now comes the best part.
Our favorite part, we get to taste
Yay! Okay, let me cut into this.
Apples on the bottom and apples in the middle.
Got our little cinnamon swirl in there.
Yes.
Okay.
Dig in.
Let's try it.
That is delicious.
Thank you. Not too sweet, but you get a bit of the sour from the apples.
Crunch on the outside.
Yes.
That is delicious. Thank you
Yeah.
for letting me bake with you.
Of course. It was so fun. Yeah.
To get the recipe for Callie Johnson's apple cake from Made with Love Bakery, visit wagrown.com.